Hindi na kinanglan siya ginanabot kung gusto mo matanawa daw siya, no?
Sige lang pala. Ara, timing ka kasta yun, ang wabla ko.
Oo.
Yan, saan ko dablo? Kita mo? Uy, actually, it's not really actually the...
Amo na siyang tubig nga halin ko sa main. Dira gagwa. Amo nang ilislan. Amo nang ilislan.
Sino ang itakod mo? Tubo mo nang hinakapasya mo?
Di, siyempre, ikakaso niya ano mo.
Ang whole thing.
Ang naga-dito ka kunya. Amo nang ilislan mo.
Pakayo na mo ng... Ano nga panawang nga tayo? Valve.
Oh, wow.
Ay, nag-leak.
I don't know if I brought WD-40.
Tayo WD-40 ko, no?
Okay.
That we have it here, Elvin.
What? Get out of here.
You're surprised we have that.
You got WD-40 and no pliers?
No pliers.
Here, Elvin.
Sitting here, include that we have it here, Elvin.
Thank you.
And then he said, "What? You have WD-40? And you don't have pliers?" Grabe, naglit tayo yung wrench. No, it's so heavy. You know that big wrench. How do you call that instrument? That he's laughing at me. You know, medical, so it's instruments, right?
I got it.
And musician.
Musician. And then she told me tools, because I told him, well, how come, I was telling Elvin to bring his instruments for the faucet, and then he said, what are you talking about? I don't understand you. Chito said, tools, not instrument. Grabe, galito yung. Tinga budlay, tinga ikaw pag ano, matuway ka din budlayan, how?
Ano?
How did you change the tool?
Changing ganun. Ano sa'yo mo?
Ano man?
Ang ginalagay niyang laba, ihapos lang niya yung ginamo mo yung nagao. Pero inaibod-lebod-lay na siya pa nung nakapason. Muhay ka sa mga tools.
Can you speak English so Elvin will understand you? We are talking something about that, Elvin.
What you talking?
Kasi
kaya alam yan nung punga istorya tapos niya. Nararaw na
Ito, be?
no?
Then.
Nakapasiguro na.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought we are gonna buying only the knob. I didn't know that it's a whole thing.
The whole darn thing.
Ah, okay.
All
I
right.
thought only this one, huh?
Hindi. Amo nang guba. Pero
Okay.
the whole ano na siya.
Now, where is that?
There's still water or
In my
no?
pocket. Let's go do your sink now.
I wish I did not be a nurse. Aray ko. Tayo tanawa naman to tayo kung ano mo niya tayo sa sink tayo. Para may idea lang tayo. It's not that you will. Tanaw lang sa igad niya. Muna yung iya. Tinan mo. Kumuli.
No, it's not loose. It's just the washer is worn out.
Oh.
We were not able to clean our washroom, Elvin, huh? I was not able to clean our washroom. When we have the party, then we clean a lot.
I know, we do that too. Yeah, we should have company every weekend.
I have only one day off, Elvin. Only every Saturday.
Every Saturday only?
Yeah, only one day. Then I work 6 days. 6 days straight. Yeah. Tomorrow I'll be back to work. Only one day I'm off. Yeah, Saturday.
That sucks.
Really sucks.
I'm crying about my only 2 days off.
Yeah, I know.
May ano gali daw ano tawagin
Chito lunggo. Balang mga kradyo. Be.
Hindi kego Di ako dali pag
Ikaw tani, mo na.
So,
Ito lang tawon mo tani.
kita ko lang na sing ganan may sa mga sa YouTube.
Nga anong gaburo ni man? Sa pagiging pa kayo.
I hope I'm turning it. I can't see.
You cannot see. Hindi siya ko nakita, tatay. Tayo, yung flashlight din ha. Flashlight niya din ha. Mamang kwarto ulay himos ha. Basta may mga pamangkot. Kay pamangkot na lang siya. Kay ba, may nangari siya subong. Basta nahulog. Sintian.